Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set up your Axiom Pro right here. And the first thing that you need to know that if you want to trade on Axiom Pro, you need to set up your wallet correctly. So what we're going to do right here is we go right here to our wallet and then make sure that you click right here on deposit. Then from now, what you see right here is this is the deposit address. And then what we're going to do right now is we go to Phantom Wallet. And then we fill in our passwords right here. And you can also do this for Trust Wallet, for Coinbase, but you need to have a wallet address. Because right now, if we want to throw money right here to this account, we click here on send and select right here Solana. And then what we're going to do is we select right here this wallet address. Then we go back and then we go to send again, Solana, paste it right here. And then we fill in right here for how much Solana we want to transfer. Then after that, we click here on next, but be careful. This wallet address needs to be exactly the same as this address right here. So once you check that and have money on your account and you click on next, send it right here to your account on Axiom Pro. And then after that, you can start trading. Right now, I still have 0, but once you did that, you have Solana standing on your account. Then right now, what you can do is right here, on this page here at the DEX screener, you can immediately buy something right here. So if you want to take action, you can click right here immediately on buy. But if you want to go to the chart and do analysis or do it a little bit more specific, you go right here and click here on the coin, and then you will see this screen. Then what we're going to do right here is we can buy or sell right here and decide if you want to do that for a market limit or maybe a advanced order right there. And then you can fill in right here the amount and then you can start trading by clicking here on buy Bernie. We can also go right here a little bit more to the bottom and select right here instant trades. Then right now what we can do, if you click right here on enable hotkeys and we are holding our spacebar, we can click right here on the things that we want to buy or want to sell. So if you want to do that real quick, you can just hold your spacebar and then click right here on the key that you want to use to do your trades very fast. Then click here on the cross because we also have presets right here left in the bottom. And if you go right here to the presets, we can create ourselves a preset. And then once we go to presets and select now 2, we are using right here the second preset for the trading right here. Now make sure that you set up a good preset from here. You can decide if you want to buy or sell. Select right here slippage, the priority and the bribe. Now you can also do auto fee right here if you want to do that and then do continue and then you save right here the preset. So if you want to create yourself an account right here on Axiom Pro where you will save 10% on fees, please check out the link in the description and click on that link, create yourselves an account and maybe check one of the tutorials that I made. And with those two combined, you will get yourselves an account very easily. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. If you have more questions or things that you need to know, please comment that below. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.